Activating your Mint Mobile eSIM on your iPhone is a straightforward process. First, you'll need a Mint Mobile plan and a compatible iPhone running iOS 12.1 or later. Mint Mobile now primarily uses QR codes for activation, which you can obtain through their app after purchasing a plan. Go to Settings, Cellular, Add eSIM on your iPhone. Scan the QR code provided by Mint Mobile. Enter the confirmation code if prompted. Your eSIM should activate within minutes, giving you access to Mint Mobile's network. If you encounter issues during eSIM activation on your iPhone with Mint Mobile, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection for the setup process. A stable connection is essential for scanning QR codes and downloading the eSIM profile. Use Wi-Fi if cellular signal is weak. For data connectivity, you may need to manually configure the access point name. Go to Settings, then Cellular, and select Cellular Data Network. In the Cellular Data Network settings, enter fast.tmobile.com as the APN. Leave the username and password fields blank as they are not required for Mint Mobile. After configuring APN, restart your iPhone to apply changes. If issues persist, contact Mint Mobile's customer support. They have a high resolution rate for eSIM problems. As of 2025, the Mint Mobile app often handles APN setup automatically.